Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
This is one that's going to be good for everybody because even if you've been to Macau for quite a while, you probably aren't aware of some of the changes, or maybe you are, but you haven't walked it. And I just walked it. So now you can see it visibly what it looks like as of today, 2024, in the summertime, because it's changing fast. And a lot of you that are familiar, there was kind of this old corrugated, I'll talk about that in the video. I'll just show you the map of where it's at. But you're also going to get some good images of Guayin statue behind me. You're also going to see some of the MGM, the casinos, and some of the waterfront. So this is kind of an interesting area for tourists and also for locals just to see how it's changing a little bit. Anyways, come and check it out with me through the camera lens. Let's check it out right now. Okay, so this is the Nape waterfront with the giant Guayin statue right there. And in the distance you can see a boat. It's all lit up. It's like it's going to be taking tourists. And then just to give you an idea before we go down this towards the Guayin, there's MGM casino. This whole area is called Nape. There's a nice beautiful park between all these tall, basically business buildings, corporate offices and such like that. And then there's a nice waterfront that goes all the way down here. So you can see some playground stuff and the science museum. Oh no. Is that closed? They're doing construction there? Oh, it's too bad. Okay, well this is what we were going to be filming. That's going to walk all the way up to the top there. And they kind of have this little sand beach right here too. Okay. It looks pretty cool though. Yeah, I was gonna walk straight up to that Guayin. All right. Well, there's a lot of different ways to film in this spot. It's interesting, there's some dead fish down there. You can see them with my eye. There's a lot of stuff happening down that way that I wouldn't mind going towards MGM, which is what I'll probably end up doing. Just kind of give you a background. This is Nape, and then this road goes to the Science Museum over there, and then there's this nice waterfront. I filmed it, but I haven't filmed it in a while. I also haven't filmed this waterfront in a while either. But we're starting at Guayin, which is right there. These lights will come on up later. This you can go down to that little beach area, and used to be able to walk down, and I'd see older ladies who would be picking through the stuff. And now that they have a gate on it now, so you can see the gate right down there. But what we're gonna do next, look at those beautiful trees. This is actually changing. So the last 11 years I was here, they had this ugly corrugated metal that was everywhere, all the way down. And now they're starting to create something a little bit different. This, you can see this fencing right here is all new. It's green fence. It wasn't like that before. Over on the other side over there is kind of a nightlife area, and some apartments up at the top. So yeah, this was all like corrugated metal for the longest time, this ugly, and then and now they have this different kind of feel to it. Huh. So different. Let me just kind of, we couldn't see this for the longest time. Couldn't see that there was like steps here, and it looks like now they're getting it all set up. So now they have some lighting for this area, and it looks like they're going to turn it into some kind of walking area. Huh. I think I have some old videos of Sun Yat-Sen if you look for the street. So I could never see this in the past. It's a little bit of a wetlands area. Yeah, and actually they did always have this kind of zigzag, and they'd have giant trees. But now it's all changing. Here's a little bit of the wetlands feel. It's kind of marshy. So this is on Sun Yat-Sen Avenue, and there's a sign right there. It says Sun Yat-Sen Avenue. Wow, it's so interesting. Because they also did all this new stuff right here too. So this is all new. That wasn't there before. And now we're looking at MGM. Huh. Looks so much better. Huh. Look at all those plastics in there. Garbage. Okay. So yeah, the Sun Yat-Sen, I'm gonna go up to this MGM and I'm gonna turn the camera on again. You kind of have an idea what it looks like already right here. So now you can see more of this stretch. So you can see MGM on the corner, and Wynn Casino is down that way, and Grand Lisboa is down that way. Presidente Casino is down that way. This is the street that we're on, Sun Yat-Sen Avenue. This is all this different kind of stuff that we couldn't see before. Huh. So this is all new too. So you can see that they're doing something right in here. So this is looks like they're gonna be manicured in the future. And maybe some lights and flowers maybe. These trees, they look, I don't know if they were here or not, but they have different ground on them. Yeah, there's MGM Casino right there. And the Mandarin Oriental Hotel straight ahead. Very interesting. Okay, so I guess you kind of have an idea for this particular spot. So I'm going to turn the camera off and jump ahead again. The MGM still, right? So we're almost at the end of this little stretch, and then you can see some I think there's people that live in these apartments, because I know somebody that does already. Those ones right there, and I can see that the street is looking a little bit different up here. Yeah, so now it kind of angles like this. You can see the bridge way in the distance. MGM and MGM, right? So plane going up overhead. So now this looks like kind of like a bus depot area. The bus coming in there right now. And then this is our orange soil. It looks like it's going to keep on going that way towards the Macau Tower. So if they actually were to wrap it around, it would be quite amazing. So now this is the entrance. I think this might have been here before, but it was different. And now you can start to see our waterfront as well. We'll see that shortly. Squaw Yin in the distance, way over there where we started. So now you can see the waterfront over there. It's beautiful. And there wasn't anything on this side before. So it looks like this keeps on going down further. Grand Lisboa, MGM. And then you can see this is the bridge. There's somebody walking it right now, jogging it over it. So that bridge connects Macau and Taipa. We'll probably go underneath it. Okay, so we just got closer to that tree that you can see. And now you can see the bridge. And then in a minute we're going to come up to where the water and this road meet. And then it looks like this orange soil that they put in. You can see some dragon boat racing on the other side. Kind of wish I was on that side. Okay. So it looks like, I think this was here before, but then it was kind of a mess to get to the spot on this side. But now you can overlook the bridge and the Macau Tower and all the traffic going over it. And most importantly, you can see how beautiful that is over there. It's that building straight ahead is Yoho Treasure Island, and then Grand Lisboa, Wynn, and GM. So I think I'm going to end it right here. You got an idea of how it looks a little bit different anyways. That over there is Taipa, also part of Macau. And that's the bridge. Connects Macau and Taipa. One of 3 bridges right at the moment. There's going to be a 4th one soon. Alright. Yat-Sen Avenue.